How to cancel autopay in Netflix. So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily cancel autopay in Netflix. So, if you have been subscribing to Netflix subscription, I'll show you how you can easily cancel the autopay feature. Open up your Netflix and make sure that you're logged into your account. You want to come over to the bottom right corner on My Netflix or the profile. Once you tap on it, you can find the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Just tap on that, and from the pop-up, you want to go to Account section. There you can manage all of your subscriptions, your likings, content preference, and everything else. So if you scroll down here, you have option to change email, change password, add phone number, and right below that, you'll have your next billing date. Once you do that, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on billing details, and right below that is cancel membership. Tap on that. So whatever you choose, it will take effect on a certain date. So it's just gonna be here for 1 month. You can also pause your payment or your subscription for 1 month, or if you just want to completely remove it, you can finish the cancellation. Tap on finish cancellation, and once you tap on it, you just have to select a reason why you want to cancel and then tap on done. Once that is done, you can see here your membership will be canceled at the end of your current billing period. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.